5 Best Dryer Vent Cleaning Kit Reviews. Number 1. Deflecto Dryer Duct Cleaning Kit. Failing to properly clean out your air dryer vents can cause a wide range of problems for you and your home. To avoid breaking your dryer permanently or fire breaking out in your home, it's important to clean out your dryer vent every so often. With that being said, this dryer duct cleaning kit from Deflecto is one of the best cleaning kits on the market today. This product not only contains a high-quality brush head, but it also comes with 6 different durable rods that can be used to extend the cleaning head up to 12 feet. Considering that this product can be used with or without a power drill, you can rest easy knowing that this product from Deflecto is more than capable of getting the job done. If you're looking for a dryer duct cleaning kit that is easy to use and easy to store, then this product by Deflecto might be the best option for you. Number 2. Gardas Lint Heater Rotary Dryer Vent Cleaning System. A dryer vent that isn't properly cleaned can cause a whole lot of trouble for your home. In fact, a clogged or dirty dryer vent can actually cause a fire that could take your entire home up in flames, which is why it's so important to make sure that you perform proper maintenance on your dryer vent system. If you know that it's been a while since doing this or it's time for you to purchase a new system, then you should look into this dryer vent cleaning system from Gardas. This product is not only exceptionally easy to use, but it can also help you to save money on your utility bill because you're not wasting as much energy with a clean dryer vent. With its incredible reach, this dryer vent cleaning system will surely be able to get those hard-to-reach spots in your dryer vent. If you're looking for a new cleaning system for your dryer vent, then this product from Gardas might be perfect for you. Number 3. Hulkme 25 Feet Dryer Vent Cleaning Brush. In order to keep your household equipment working properly, it's important to perform routine maintenance on a regular basis. If it's been a while since you've gotten down and dirty in the dryer vent, then it's probably time to invest in this dryer vent cleaning brush by Hulkme. This impressive cleaning brush, which is capable of reaching up to 25 feet, is constructed out of high-quality synthetic materials and 15 different flexible rods to serve all of your needs. Not only is this dryer vent cleaning brush unbelievably easy to use, but it also comes with an easy-to-understand user's manual just in case you have any troubles. There's no need to pay someone hundreds of dollars of your hard-earned money when you can invest in an impressive product such as this. If you're looking for a heavy-duty vent cleaning brush, then you should definitely consider purchasing this brush from Hulkme. Number 4. Dryer Duct Cleaning Kit by the Dryer Vent Store. It's quite easy to forget about the little things that need to be done around the house, especially when our lives can become a bit hectic from time to time. If it's been a while since you've cleaned your dryer vent or you've never done it at all, then it's time for you to check out this Dryer Duct Cleaning Kit by the Dryer Vent Store. While the 30-inch tool included in this dryer cleaning kit may be flexible, it's durable enough to clean every inch of your dryer vent. Also, just in case the crevice tool doesn't fit into your vacuum, this product comes with 3 additional hoses for every possible situation. Finding the right equipment to clean your dryer vent can surely be a hassle, which is why it's important to find one that is dependable, sturdy, and relatively inexpensive. If you're ready to clean out your dryer vents, then this product from the Dryer Vent Store might just be the best product for you. Number 5. Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit by Sealegend. It's an unfortunate fact that there are a lot of responsibilities that come along with being an adult. Not only do you have to pay your bills and possibly raise children, but you also have to make sure that all of the appliances in your home are working efficiently at all times. With that being said, if it's been quite some time since you've cleaned your dryer vents, then it's about time to get that done with this Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit from Sealegend. With vacuum hose attachments that stretch out over 33 inches, you're able to clean years of lint buildup from the inside of the dryer vents. Also, thanks to the 2 different suction control settings included on this dryer vent cleaning kit, you're able to clean the small everyday lint, but you're also able to power clean in order to get the tough stuff deep inside of the vent. If you're looking for a dependable dryer vent cleaner kit for your home, then this impressive product by Sealegend would be the perfect addition to your cleaning arsenal.